Hi there, I'm Gabriel, and I have a question for you. What if young people, like me, could actually start a business, get real-world experience, and build confidence before we even graduate high school? Well, guess what? That's exactly what's happening with Tomorrow's Leaders today at the Business Acceleration Network, a hands-on program helping kids and young adults ages 8 to 26 become the next generation of entrepreneurs and leaders. We don't just talk about business, we do business. We build with real entrepreneurs, honest feedback, and real results. Because this isn't a classroom, it's our launchpad. And now, we want you involved. If you're a business owner, you can sponsor a student and make a huge difference. If you're a parent, bring your kid. And if you're a young adult, apply now and join our next event. Visit collaborationtribe.com to become a sponsor or apply, because our leaders of tomorrow are here today.